What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I literally was doing off-screen camera work on our 1.7.10 world that I started without shaders, and I was under the ground, and I'll show you guys. Now I'm gonna get out of game mode in a second, but I'll show you guys here. This is all stuff that I collected in the mine shaft that I found. Like I said, I told you I was gonna take this series really serious once we stop playing around. But I was underneath the ground and I heard roaring of wind, and then I knew there was a tornado going over me. So this is where this is like an F3. So the tornado dropped down right about here, right on this dirt block. It dropped around and it tracked all the way down this mountain, or not this mountain, but this hill and these forests. It tracked over the river and got stronger first 1 second, and then it stopped and got weaker. It got weaker, it got weaker, it got weaker. Then it kind of got stronger again as it went uphill, and started going uphill and ripping down blocks and stuff like that. Then it got really strong because it was able to track up this little hill here in these mountains. So I think right about here was its peak of strength, right about here. And then it kind of dimmed down and kind of went down the hill. And then it kind of just lifted up in the air and went up on this mountain. At this point, there was no damage anymore. There was hardly any damage from this point on. I think at this point it was disintegrating. And by the time I saw it, it was right at its peak of strength. So I didn't really get a chance to witness the whole tornado. Like I said, I was underneath the ground, mining for an episode. But this is what we got. This large tornado picked off a skeleton. But yeah, that was our first ever tornado. Now, I went ahead and went somewhere else in this world, because on the last world, remember how I said we kind of destroyed it? Well, I made a new world, and did some off-screen work, kind of got back up to the point where I was from there. And this is gonna be episode 1 of season 2. Didn't really have a season 1, but I kind of cheated all the way through season 1. So we're gonna have just episode 1, season 2, starting right about. Oops. Now we are now on episode 1. So yeah, that's the hailstorm. We're gonna put some of this stuff up because we don't really need a lot of this stuff. Like I said, it's really off bit. I was doing work here and got some stuff for this episode. I feel like my head is hurt, bro. Yeah, so there's literally nothing going on right now. It's just calm except for that little hailstorm. It's currently still spinning. It's actually spinning quite fast. It's a red line, which means it's going to actually get weaker. So I did get some iron and found some in this mine shaft, so we're just gonna make some armor now, give ourselves some protection from this storms, because they are ruthless. On episode 2, we're gonna go ahead and build a house, because I'm not living in this village. Like I said, I found this village. Literally all the villagers, I think, are gone. I think they all left. Or got eaten by the tornado or eaten by zombies. So there's only literally 3 houses in this whole village, and I'm the owner of the village, so this is the house that we're currently residing in until we get a better house, which I'm perfectly okay with. So we're gonna make some boots as well. We gotta get those boots with the fur. Look at us, we're all nice and shiny. This is only the first episode, and like I said, I did do some work on camera, so don't judge me. Now we can make a tornado sensor, and that's something I might do, because if you don't know what look, okay, so these 2 blocks right here, I picked up in creative mode. Like I said, every single episode we do, every single series we do, we're gonna move to a different location or to a different world, and we're gonna be able to pick up a siren and a forecast as our weather protectors. And I'll show you guys. I got my tornado siren on the top of the house right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but okay, it's right there. And we are going to just start playing this world. Start playing the game and survive tornadoes. And like I said, guys, I had to do a lot of, I didn't say this, but I had to do a lot of configuration with this mod to get it to work properly. Basically what was going on is I had the tornado glow set to a super low setting, or the tornado spawner set to a super low setting. So I literally had to go in and change the good spawn rate for tornadoes. So, and a lot of you guys were asking about my FPS is currently. Right now it's at 91, which is not really actually good. I think it's because there's so much stuff going on as well. But as you see, it jumped to 123, and then jumped to 115. So my FPS is pretty good. But keep in mind, like if I turn it up to super far, if I do max FPS, it'll reach about 163, 159. But something I do want to note or tell you guys is this computer can handle way more than that. It's just because there's so many mods installed, and I'm recording also, and I keep squinting my eyes. It's gonna make me get a headache. There we go. I got like the little sunshade on me, so that way I can, I know my but yeah, I'm gonna actually make furnaces so I can get double the amount of stuff smelting at one time. No, not. Take that back. Let me see. What can we do? Guess I'm still in my pajamas, just so you guys know, but you guys probably can't see it or anything because I'm really, like, I just gotta make sure the top's okay. Yeah, I literally woke up, like, checking my phone, about an hour and 30 minutes ago, so, yeah. But basically what I did was, I went in and changed a lot of the configurations, so storm progression, odds of storm, and odds of tornado. I upped it to 3 of the tornado spawn rate. Storms are upped it to 100, so we can get a 100% chance of getting a storm every single day. And then odds of severity, we got 250. So we can get we have a 50% chance of getting a severe storm, which can progress and turn into a tornado, which, now I went, like, in these past hours, I pretty much, like, did a lot of, configuration, a lot of downloading mods, just like what would work well. I did get a mod. I got this is really that mod, so we can kind of track where we are and put waypoints down. Kind of keep ourselves a little organized with where we're at. And as you guys can see, I've done a little bit of waypoints around the world so far. So we have my storm shelter. Okay, really? I'll show you guys. So what we have right here, and I'm gonna make like a little bit of a this is like a storm shelter. So if a tornado tries to come and kill us, we're gonna kind of make that go away and just have like right here. This is gonna be our storm shelter. We're gonna kind of clear this out a little bit, so it's not just a staircase down. It's kind of a actual room. Kind of like I said, we're gonna take this wall off, and we're just gonna have a little storm over there. So let me just kind of mine. Turn down the rain just a little bit so you guys can still hear me. Music, sounds, rain. Okay, we got weather set to really high. We're gonna turn that to about 36. Whoops. It's still super loud. We have our thunderstorm point. Maybe we'll get some severe weather out there. Now, I wanted to you guys can probably already see what I'm trying to do. camera so you guys don't have to watch that because I know it's kind of a little bit boring. But we're gonna make a sensor. Now, I don't exactly have a sensor. What's the and I need iron, redstone, and gold. We have gold. We have plenty of iron. Let me go on Google real quick. Let me look up tornado sensor Minecraft. Okay, so the tornado sensor is 4 redstone, 1 gold, 4 iron. And it's in this kind of graphical space, so it's iron on the outside like this. 1 piece of gold in the middle, and then the rest of gold. That's the recipe. What do you mean it's not right? Is it gold on and the rest on the outside? I should have made a. Should have made it. Yeah, that's the recipe I did. Can we make a siren? So like we do. Oh, it's reversed. Okay, so here's a tornado sensor. And we're gonna go plop this outside. And the tornado sensor can probably pick up a tornado from about 100 blocks away. So we're gonna plop a sensor somewhere on the top of this mountain. This would be a cool advantage for this sensor. Now I think the sensor extends the tornado siren's range to about 100 blocks. So we're gonna try to parkour up this mountain here and try not to fall. Commentary. Shin bone on the ground, I'm still walking. I can lose it. You're a loser here. Okay, it's a hailstorm now. If I get something, that's the case. I'm gonna do some carbon. It might be aggressive, I'm hoping it's going to. Let's see what it's. So, we have... I'm gonna go put a weather forecast in the, actual... Man, are you good, bro? I'm gonna put the actual, shelter. So we are in the city. It's an F-Zero! Sire, are you good? It's gonna give us a direct hit. Oh, valuables. They're all valuables. it was an F1. So we definitely have to move now. We're gonna just kind of pick up our chests here, and tables and stuff like that, with all our valuables and stuff in it. Okay. I think we have our chests. Don't need that. Can I have the chest, please? Can I have the table? What do you say? Cold horse sign. No one sees I'm gonna keep. Rotten flesh. Okay, we got the chest. That's what we want. Alright. Wow. That's crazy. It's just so crazy to know that I got the monster and it's working very well. Very well. It tracked right in the center of town. So we're gonna go, so every time a tornado happens, we're gonna go into the so we can go take a look at damage. So I first saw the F0 icon when it was back over here. That's why I said grab the valuables, we gotta go. And it looks like it was really weak at first. Like it just kind of tracked. So let me see, where did it drop down at? It dropped down right on top of these trees right here. Yeah, drop down right on top of this. What the hell? It's animals. Jeez, that scared me. I was like, oh my god. Okay, so then it kind of went straight through. Got strong for a split second. Got weak again. Then started picking up blocks, and I think about right here is when it got to its peak. So at this point, it started to destroy everything, and it got right to our village, tracked straight. Went right past our house, got strong, lifted up in the air. I mean, it stopped literally right there, lifted up in the air, and then went over this mountain, and then it stopped. Oh my god. Okay, so I think since we're next to a plains biome, we are going to go ahead and move over there. Right in that general area, maybe? Perhaps? Maybe I'll just live like right in the center of this little valley here. And yeah, this is gonna be a little bit difficult. Like I'm super excited for this series to kick off. We're at 19 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everyone.